This is our second celebratory bell ring, and I would like to welcome Rotarian Michael Caldwell to the stage. Let's give it up for him as well.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Michael Caldwell. We're at Meharry Medical College. I have a couple Meharry Medical students with me here. We have Zuhela Hered and Samita Ravi. Samita Ravi is actually starting the first Rotaract Club at Meharry Medical College. So you see I'm wearing yellow, and I am so happy that Rotary is yellow because you may know that Nashville is the bachelorette party capital of the world. But did you know we are also the home of Dry January USA? Yes, right here, it's true. It's a real organization, and we own the trademark at Meharry Medical College. Dry January is a global trademark, and Meharry Medical College with Dr. James Hildreth took the leadership and said, we are going to have a license of the trademark for Dry January for USA. And we announced this year at the Veterans Day Parade, the color yellow is the official color of Dry January. So if you're doing Dry January, if you know someone that's doing Dry January, if someone in your life is struggling with alcohol, if you've lost somebody in your life due to alcohol, wear yellow, and let's have that as a signal to each other. You know, it goes back 50 years ago at Grateful Dead concerts. Believe it or not, Grateful Dead concerts, if there were yellow balloons and yellow signals, it was a signal to people, I'm going to be at this show, and I see that I can enjoy it, and there are people here to support me. So we want all the businesses and communities to go to dryjanuaryusa.org, learn about how you can contribute. Show a little yellow, show a little love, welcome everybody, because people may not want to drink for a day or a lifetime, and we want them all to feel welcome. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Rotarian Caldwell. And also, if you want to wear a yellow wristband, they'll be passing them out on the way out of our meeting today. And I'm a proud person. I mentioned it last meeting that I will not be having a drop of alcohol for the month of January. So thank you, Dr. Caldwell. All right.
Oh, thank you. I don't drink, so I'm good. I'm like dry every day.
Free stuff? What about dry January?
Good afternoon. Bags and jackets today. Everybody got a jacket?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.